I'm back at Shell Cafe and finally trying some of your recommendations from my last video. This time sa Shell Cafe Balintawak naman kasi ang dami nagsasabi na maganda rin daw yung branch dito. And in fairness nga sa place ha, nakaka-fresh yung green colors and plants everywhere, huge grocery section na may pa-lounge sa first floor, and my second floor na ang laki-laki ng space and giving cute and chill vibes. The pastry selection looks promising, ang daming options so medyo nahirapan ako pumili, but here's everything I got. Let's go! Buti na lang available yung almond croissant that time. It's topped with generous amount of sliced almonds, tapos parang may powdered sugar and cinnamon. This was good naman, crisp, golden brown, and nutty exterior. Kaso feeling ko since nainit siya ng matagal and hindi ko nakain agad as usual, sadly medyo tumigas na siya inside. Masarap talaga yung frankfurters ng Shell Cafe, so na-happy ako nung maraming nag-recommend ng barbecue and bacon. As expected, this was so good. Savory and juicy frankfurter, and gustong gusto ko yung smooth and firm texture niya. Masarap din yung crispy bacon bits and smokiness from the barbecue sauce, though medyo matamis lang